Hi, my name is Ksenia. I work in HR capacity. For the ELMO software, I will give 4 score out of 5. For more reviews of such, please click the below. Prior purchasing ELMO software, in our organization, we considered various other local HRIS software companies and products. Amongst them, there were Precida, HRIS 21, Definitive, Connex or Connex, and ELMO itself. One of the most important reasons for us to go for ELMO and opt and purchase ELMO and implement it in our company was the fact that ELMO has a quite vast portfolio of the modules that you can opt in and form part of your service agreement, and not necessarily all other market companies that are positioning themselves within the same sort of scope and the budget and price. They will have the same sort of range of various modules. And also the key component or key decision factor as well was budget. So we were offered a great price for the opted module. So I think that was the key factor that drove the process for favoring ELMO versus any other 4 or 3 HRIS platforms. It was quite easy for us to implement each and every module of ELMO, starting from HR Core, the staff survey module, a learning and development module, and performance appraisal module. That's the ones that we mainly purchased, but it was absolutely easy for us to integrate our local systems and our local payroll and local rostering data with the ELMO modules, particularly taking into account the ELMO local support team, who triggered the process and drive the process with us all together and supported us across all the angles and avenues. That was absolutely amazing. I would say ELMO has one of the best customer service and technical support service teams. One of my key recommendations, if I may suggest, for other businesses and companies in order to opt for ELMO will be considering their own budget, considering the workforce, and technically, from technical perspective, how technically savvy is their workforce, because some systems are quite intense and not so easy to navigate, and if your workforce are not so technically savvy, it might be quite harsh for them or hard for them to use and navigate through the modules, whereas ELMO is very easy and user-friendly from display perspective and from perspective of navigation between the tabs, navigation between different sections, going from one module to another. So it's very user-friendly, easy to retrieve reports, introducing them to the board, and overall the recommendations I would say for other organizations is looking into the market, having the comparison for the budget versus their nature of the workforce, and if they are doing the right research, then I believe ELMO will be the right HRIS platform to opt for.